This is the oh so bold look. We have bold lips and a soft smoky eye. For this look, we are using All Wow Beauty Forward. We start off with the eyes using the All Eyes on Me Shadow Palette 2. We use the Paparazzi as the shade, and we contour the crease, and we start from the outer corner and brush towards the center to create depth and dimension for your eyes. Once that's done, apply Paparazzi under the eye. Next, fill the whole eyelid with Buzz color from the All Eyes on Me Shadow Palette 2. Then, highlight the inner corner of the eyes with Starlight for a little bit of drama. Now for your eyelashes. Using the Lash Challenge Mascara, volumize your lashes for a little bit of texture and fullness to your look. Using the Make Me Blush palette, use the Peachy Dust color and just flick it on your cheeks. Using the Lipstuck and SUMAC Spice, start from the center of your lips and expand outwards, working your lower lip and your upper lip. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to not miss out on any of these videos. We are so excited to see you try this oh so bold look at home.